Hello, my name is Tatiana, and I'll be comparing two companies in my presentation, Tiffany & Co. and Uber Technologies. Uber Technologies was founded in 2009 as UberCab by Garrett Camp, a computer programmer and the co-founder of StumbleUpon, and Travis Kalanick. Uber Technologies develops and operates proprietary technology applications in the United States, Canada, Latin America, Europe, and Middle East, Africa, and Asia Pacific. Net worth is estimated at $100 billion in 2021. Tiffany was founded in 1837 by Charles Lewis. In 1867, Tiffany won an award for excellence in silverware at the Exposition Universelle in Paris. In doing so, Tiffany was the first U.S. firm to ever win an award of such nature overseas. This established Tiffany as having clear global presence. It currently operates 326 stores around the world, and its net worth is $209.68 million in 2021. Let's look at the company's customer values. Uber has a dual business model. They have the way the company delivers value to both drivers and the passengers alike by catering to each group unique incentives. Uber thinks about the drivers and the other customers. That cultivates a higher quality workforce, resulting in both lower employee churn and increased customer satisfaction. Uber pays drivers an 80% commission on their fares as opposed to an hourly wage. Having drivers use their own cars so they don't have to lease it from the company also an convenience incentive. In Tiffany, employees are one of the greatest assets of the company. It invests a great deal of the money in the time to groom its employees to dedicated service professionals. Different types of training are provided in the following areas: product, technical leadership, and professional development. As an encouragement to pursue education, the company provides tuition and reimbursement and loan programs. The company has a tailored program referred as the Retail Management Associate Program, which advances employees with outstanding performance to assist manager position at a retail location after they have completed a specialized training program. Tiffany became known as having expensive and equally high quality jewelry. They insisted that their products were of high worth, and eventually people accepted them for the truth. Let's look at the market segmentation for both companies. Uber has a very detailed segmentation table, and here is a summary of it. It has different products that cater to different customers. They have 4 segments. The geographic segments include region, North and South America, Asia, and New Zealand, Australia, Europe, Africa. It includes also density, urban and rural. Demographic segment includes age 18 to 65, gender males, females, occupation students, employees, professionals, retired and handicapped. And behavioral includes loyalty, hardcore loyal, softcore loyal, switchers. Benefits sought: cost efficiency, sense of achievement, convenience, personality, easygoing, determined, ambitious. Uber status: non-users, potential users, first-time users, regular users. Social status is included in psychographic: lower class, working class, middle class, upper class. Lifestyle: struggler, mainstreamer, explorer, reformer, aspirer, succeeder, and resign. Tiffany's market segmentation is a little less detailed. The demographic segment includes all white-collar adult males and females with a flexible income to spend on luxury items. Geographic segment includes all nationalities and religions. Throughout the continent, Tiffany stores and boutiques are found in upper-class cities. The psychographic segment is represented by the customers that can appreciate and desire Tiffany products. The benefits sought by Tiffany customers is a product that gives the consumer enduring value. And a usage rate, the customers of Tiffany vary in the number of frequency of purchases. Let's look at customer relationships. Tiffany does not offer rewards programs or coupons. It focuses heavily on customer service to ensure that stores are staffed with knowledgeable professionals. New employees complete 6 to 8 weeks of training in knowledge, skills, and product training. Once in the field, sales representatives work for 2 years to complete a rigorous certification program. Tiffany emphasizes that they want customers to be welcomed. Their online stores experiences enriched by intuitive, elegant, and simple navigation system. Uber business model aimed at converting driver satisfaction to consumer satisfaction. Uber constantly invests in their development of its mobile app. It possesses the ability to expand into contiguous service segments such as food delivery, for example, without material changes to the company's operational model. Uber constantly optimizes its app for ease of use, learnability, and efficiency. They value their customers, so they are very upfront about the errors. It doesn't hide the fact that sometimes driver bails on a ride. Instead, it lets customers know instantly, and almost as instantly it alerts them that their replacement driver will be along promptly. It committed to making things better. Interacting with Uber customer service department is quick and efficient. Uber integrates loyalty in everything it does, from acquiring new customers, winning back lost customers, incentivizing their drivers, and engaging their most active users. It offers a unique referral code that every customer can share with a friend and get a $5 off a ride. It also offers a new reward program, Uber Cash. You can earn rewards that could be converted into cash and spent within the Uber ecosystem. Some incentive that they offer their Uber drivers, the partner perks, basically Uber has partnered with a range of service providers in local markets around the world to offer drivers incentives on everything from oil changes to healthcare. There is also Boost. Select drivers receive email and SMS notification each week for Boost opportunities. Also, there's Quest. This is a fantastic, allows drivers to earn extra money for completing certain trips on a set amount of time. And of course, Tips. Drivers can earn up to an additional 30% on each ride, and the same way it benefits Uber as it is incentive for the drivers to offer excellent service. Now let's look at the digital maturity and the usage of artificial intelligence. Tiffany is a more traditional company in terms of technology. Many of the Tiffany's target customers are iPhone users, and because of that, Tiffany had a need for localized mobile media advertising. So they use geo-targeted mobile media. Their mobile site let visitors find out about the new store, get directions via Google Maps, and click to call to the store. They also can browse limited collection of jewelry and choose their favorite pieces and save them so they can come in the store and try them on. Tiffany uses social media for advertisement and has an impressive amount of followers across various social platforms. They also have an engagement ring finder mobile app that allows customers to try rings without going in the store. As for the key event that digitally transformed Tiffany, I believe there was none. Tiffany is attempting to stay current by gradually integrating itself into the online world and incorporating technologies. It is still a very traditional company in many ways. In niche of Tiffany's target is still very traditional. They have kept the ads and printed media. In general, luxury brands are still oriented to clients and providing personal assistance. As for the digital maturity, Tiffany & Co. has a long road ahead of them. With the right leadership, it has a great potential to achieve it. And Tiffany also pays a lot of attention to who they hire, so they do not use analytics for that. Uber broadly uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to transform how the company engages and interacts with customers. Uber's entire business model is based on a very big data principle of crowdsourcing. Uber holds the vast database of drivers in all the cities it covers, so when a passenger asks for a ride, they can instantly match you with the most suitable driver. Fares are calculated automatically using GPS, street data, and the company's own algorithms, which make adjustments based on their time that the journey is likely to take. Search pricing, Uber pool rating system are also among their algorithms. They are a digitally mature company with far-going goals and plans for its development. They are the problem solver for drivers. It provides rides that are clean, offering up quality customer services. They are creating jobs for drivers and limo companies that are having difficulties finding work in a city. They are early adopters. When Uber had much success when early adopter tech community began to take notice and use of the technology. They succeeded because they found that the taxi cab market in the area was not the best quality. Their analytics, Uber calls the driver independent contractors, but they're still able to control them in a lot of ways. when driver first sign up for a job, it talks, it meets with the real person, and then pretty much from that point on, it's controlled by the mobile app. The app assigns a pickup request. Driver can be suspended for not accepting enough rides or for lower passenger ratings. They sometimes receive messages urging them to work on a particular day at a particular time. Uber also uses its passenger feedback system as a lever on driver behavior. Drivers are highly motivated to keep their scores up to avoid being cut off. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you very much.